Ever wondered how to make your phone last longer? Let's dive into it. Your phone's like a trusted buddy, right? And we all feel sad when it starts getting slow or the battery goes down fast. But what if we could make that phone stay young and energetic for longer? Here's how. Tip number 1, the right charge. Overcharging? Not good. Imagine eating too much candy in one go, feels bad, right? Charging your phone all night is like that. Try to keep it between 20% and 80%. It's a sweet spot. Ever ate too much candy? Yeah, your phone feels that way when overcharged. Tip number 2, keep it cool. Phones don't like being too hot or cold. Just like you'd find it uncomfortable in extreme temperatures, so does your phone. If it's getting hot, maybe give it a rest. Remember, your phone isn't trying to become the next top model by sunbathing. Tip number 3, don't overload. Imagine doing 5 things at once. Tough, right? That's your phone with many apps open. Close the ones you're not using. It's like giving your phone a mini vacation. And trust me, phones love vacations too. Tip number 4, choose good apps. Not all apps are your phone's friends. Some can harm it. Make sure you're downloading the good ones. It's like choosing the right food. Would you eat something that looks sketchy? Neither would your phone. Tip number 5, update regularly. Like a quick checkup when you're feeling sick, updates are a health check for your phone. They fix problems and help your phone feel better. Think of updates as a spa day for your phone. Refreshing. Tip number 6, use protection. Remember how some people wear helmets when riding bikes? Your phone needs that protection too. Get a good case and screen protector. Not all heroes wear capes, but all phones should wear cases. Now, think about it. Do you want to be that person always searching for a charger? Or do you want a phone that's ready whenever you need it? It's all about the little things you do. Phones need love too. Small actions, like closing extra apps or charging it right, can make a big difference. So, will you do these small things to help your phone last longer? Imagine your phone's life being like a marathon. It's not about how fast it runs, but how long it keeps going. And to keep it going, it needs some care from its best friend, you. And here's a fun secret, phones might just work better if you talk nicely to them. So, next time, maybe say thank you after setting that alarm. Who knows? Your phone might just ring happier. So, folks, remember these tips. It's easy to make your phone last longer if you treat it right. Charge wisely, pick the right apps, and give it some TLC, tender loving care. Because in the world of phones, it's not about how new it is, but how well you treat it. Ready to give your phone the care it deserves? Tap the like button below and subscribe for more tips to power up your life.